This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever underneath the steering wheel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood, then support it with the rod. Loosen the clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Allow the engine to cool completely before attempting to remove the spark plugs. With the engine cool, remove the spark plug wire from one spark plug. Pull only on the boot at the end of the wire. Do not pull on the wire. A plug wire removal tool should be used if available. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. This is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it in a counterclockwise direction. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new spark plug to facilitate future removal. Be careful not to get any near the electrodes. Thread one of the new plugs into the hole until you can no longer turn it with your fingers. It's a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but will start to slip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Making sure the spark plug wires are in good condition, attach the plug wire to the new spark plug, again using a twisting motion on the boot until it is seated on the spark plug. Repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs, replacing them one at a time to prevent mixing up the spark plug wires. Connect the negative cable to the battery terminal. Tighten the cable nut securely.